Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto OnChain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. SEED verse 2.0. A new era begins after Chinese New Year. Get ready, SEEDizens. The wait is almost over, and an exciting new chapter is about to unfold. SEED verse 2.0 is coming, bringing with it game-changing upgrades that will redefine the Pixachi ecosystem. Our team has been working tirelessly to create an enhanced experience packed with thrilling new features, bigger rewards, and exclusive content. Mark your calendars because after the Chinese Lunar New Year, you'll step into a revitalized world filled with fresh adventures, exciting challenges, and new ways to engage with the ever-growing SEED community. The future of SEEDverse is brighter than ever. Are you ready to embark on this journey? What's new in SEEDverse 2.0? Enhanced gameplay. Experience a smoother, faster, and more immersive gaming environment with new mechanics and optimizations. New quests and challenges. Take on fresh, dynamic quests that offer greater rewards and deeper engagement. Expanded marketplace. Trade and collect rare NFTs with improved accessibility and functionality. Community events. Participate in exclusive competitions, giveaways, and collaborative missions to win unique prizes. Exclusive skins and upgrades. Unlock new character and item skins that showcase your achievements and status in the ecosystem. Wallet swapping and new wallet connection. Coming soon. Wondering when you'll be able to swap wallets or connect a new one for your $SED tokens? Great news! This highly anticipated feature is set to roll out in mid-February, following the upcoming token listing on major cryptocurrency exchanges. This update will make managing your SEED tokens across platforms smoother than ever, enhancing both accessibility and flexibility. Our priority is ensuring the security and scalability of this feature, and we'll be sharing more details as the launch approaches. Stay tuned for updates as SEED gains even more momentum in the market. Why you'll want to own Birds NFTs in SEEDverse 2.0. If you're looking to maximize your rewards in the new season, owning a Birds NFT is the way to go. These exclusive, limited edition collectibles provide incredible perks, especially for $SED token holders. Here's what makes them a must-have. Bigger airdrops. Bird NFT holders will receive enhanced airdrop rewards compared to non-holders. Exclusive minting perks. Regular players can mint one SEEDmon NFT, but Bird NFT holders get even greater advantages in the ecosystem. Enhanced earning potential. Combining $SED tokens with Birds NFTs allows you to unlock even more in-game rewards and benefits, making your experience more rewarding than ever. Special access. Bird NFT holders will have early access to exclusive content, events, and new in-game features. Upcoming events and roadmap. As we gear up for SEEDverse 2.0, here are some key milestones to look forward to. Early February. Sneak peeks and beta testing opportunities. Mid-February. Wallet swapping and new wallet connection feature release. Late February. Major token listing and expanded marketplace updates. March and beyond. Continuous content updates, collaborations, and new gaming experiences. With SEEDverse 2.0 on the horizon, now is the perfect time to secure your Birds NFT and get ready to soar into a new era of play-to-earn excitement. The journey is just beginning, and the opportunities are endless.